Hey everyone, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on Make Money on YouTube without making videos and the secret to ranking #1 on Google immediately. Now, the theme to this video is going to be short and sweet. Stay tuned. So the theme to this video is short and sweet. Well, the short part is going to be a video about 5 minutes long because what's said is money loves speed. Now, the second part, the sweetness, comes in two parts. One is if you have a online business, whether it be Shopify or eBay or Amazon, I'm going to show you a very short, easy way to get to the #1 spot on Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel with a 24-hour ranking system that, quite honestly, I can do it and you can do it based on this system within about 2 or 3 minutes. You're not going to have to worry about, being organically posting for 3 or 6 months. This is going to happen with basically very few subscribers, very few views, and you're going to be ranking #1 in your Google search. Now, let's face it, everyone knows that since the post-COVID concern, people are going to YouTube first, Google first, and searching a product. Now, these aren't tire kickers. These are bona fide buyers. The second part is they always want a second example. And they'll go to YouTube. And this video that I'm going to share with you, and also the 24-hour ranking system, will show you how you can get an incredible increase in business for your online business. Now, the second part of the sweetness is you can use this for your business, or you can use this as an affiliate money maker. And that's what Paul Murphy's done with the 24-hour ranking system and the 5-step process. Now, let's get into this pretty quick because we're going to keep it under 5 minutes. And that is make money on YouTube without making videos. The secret to ranking #1 on Google immediately. Now, what I'd mentioned before is you don't need a lot of, the myth says you need a lot of subscribers. You don't. You just need, I've got 17. You can see right here with Affiliate Tube Success Reviews, I've got 17 subscribers. And next is, you can see here, for free, I'm ranking #1 with 17 subscribers within 2 minutes in YouTube, within 3 minutes on the in Google videos, and on the carousel, or known as the billboard, within 2 minutes. And I've got no views and 17 subscribers. Now, this is not just a one-off. This happens regularly with this 24-hour ranking system. Back it up. You can see it's not 24-hour ranking system. It's like minutes ranking system. This happens again where you can see me. I've got the stranglehold on the carousel. I've got the stranglehold on YouTube and also in the Google search. Happens again here, happens again here. Now, the link I'm going to share with you is going to go to a gentleman, and you're going to go to the front page, and it's going to be this gentleman here, Mr. Muscleman, Paul Murphy, and he's the weird loophole gets unlimited free Google ads. Well, what it is the loophole is Paul has designed a process and a steps that he gives Google exactly what they're looking for. It's completely above board. There's no shortcuts. And quite frankly, to be really transparent, it's not a magical tool that's going to get rich quick. This is something that you're going to have to put some elbow grease in, but incredibly well worth it. So when you press the link that I provided in this video, you're going to come to a page, and it's going to allow you to enroll into a 90-minute training call with Mike and Paul Murphy. And it's a great value. And what you do is hit the register for this free event, and it could take a moment just to make sure that there's availability. And then all you do is put the date, your time zone, your first name, and your email. Register now, and it's going to enroll you in probably the most effective 90 minutes for your online business that you're going to see to improve your traffic flow and reduce your ad costs. I hope you found this video interesting, informative, and of value. And as I mentioned before earlier in the video, I'm going to leave a link that you can take advantage of access to Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system and check it out today or tomorrow or when you have an opportunity and see if this would make a difference to your business. It sure has to mine. And I would suggest if you want to increase your traffic, your bona fide buyers, and lower your costs, this could be an opportunity that would be pretty amazing for your business. Now, please, as always, like the video, hit the share button so you won't miss another video, and also leave a comment below. And hopefully we will see you in the next video. You have yourself a great day.